Hi friends, welcome to new video. This video I'm going to show especially girls DP photo editing tutorial video. I hope you enjoy this video tutorial. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share comments. Okay, let's see today's video. Open Picsart app, then click plus icon. All photos, choose the background image. Crop it. Click add photo, choose your photo, add. There is a cut option, cut your photo. Cut your photo slowly, it will take few minutes. After then click this arrow symbol. Here is a empty space, clear it. It will take few minutes, slowly clear it, empty space. Then save. After click this erase button, erase it. It will take few minutes. Then click this tick option, increase this, add photo, click this image add, then click tick option, image is ready. You can also edit your photo, just easy tutorial video. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video, share your friends, comment. Gallery done.